Good morning, dear students. This is Shrishti Saxena. I am going to teach you English literature of class 1st. This is my video part 6. In my previous video, that is part 5, I have already explained you the poem Itsy Bitsy Spider. See here, I am going to show you the poem again. In the previous video, I have showed you the picture, this poem. I have explained you the poem Itsy Bitsy Spider. See all the 8 lines I have written, and I told you to copy down this poem in your copy. I am reading out this poem again for you. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Okay, so I told you to write this poem in your copy. After writing the poem in your copy, what is your work? What you will do is, today I am going to continue some more exercises of this poem. See, you will write itsy bitsy spider. You will write the heading of this poem, itsy bitsy spider, and then after that you will write the meanings. What you will write? Meanings. Meaning means difficult words. What is climbed? Here I have written climbed. What is climbed? An act of climbing. Spout. That day I showed you what the spout is. I have already drawn one picture on the board. A pipe that carries rainwater from roof to ground. A pipe that carries water from roof to the ground. After writing these two meanings, you will continue with the rhyming words. I told you what are rhyming words. I already explained. Same with same sound. Rain, pain, up, cup. Again I am showing you. Rain, pain, up, cup, down, down. Again I am repeating. Rain, pain, up, cup, down, down. First exercise is meaning. Second exercise is rhyming words. After writing these two exercises, you will continue with the third one, that is answer the following. Answer the following. You know about the poem. The poem is about a spider who tries to climb the water spout. And see the question number 1. What does the spider climb? What does the spider climb? The spider climbs the water spout. What does the spider climbs? The spider climbs the water spout. Water spout means water pipe. Okay. Exercise 1, exercise 2 and exercise 3. See, please have a look again. I am showing you. Now see what you will do after writing the first question. After you finish with the first question, you will continue with the second one. You will continue with the second one. See question number 2. When does the spider get washed out? When does the spider get washed out? You know, when it started raining, the spider got washed out. The spider get washed out because of the rain. When it start raining, the spider washed out of the pipe. Again, when does the spider get washed out? The spider gets washed out because of the rain. See the third question. When is the spider able to climb the water spout again? Again the spider tried to climb the water spout. Okay. So when they are asking, when is the spider able to climb the water spout again? See the answer. When the sun comes out. When the rain stopped, the sun started shining. When the sun comes out, the spider is able to climb the water spout again. So with this, we have finished with the 3 questions of this poem. See the exercise of this poem here. Again I am showing itsy bitsy spider. Meanings we have finished. Just 2 meanings are there. Rhyming words, just 3 rhyming words are there. And answer the following. How many answers? Question answers are there? 1. Question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Only these exercises I am going to show you in this video. Okay. These 3 question answers you will note down in your copy. Now I am going to show you all the work which I have done till now, starting from the first chapter. I am showing you all the work again. See. I finished with the first chapter, inside Aisha's house. Meanings were there, 3 meanings. Then rhyming words, 3 rhyming words were there. And answer the following. See, I am showing it to you more closely. If you have not copied it down, please copy it down in your copy. If you don't have the rough copy, you can write down in your previous year English copy, and if you have purchased the books and copies, you can maintain your copies. See the first part, inside Aisha's house, meanings, rhyming words, and answer the following. Answer question number 1. Then question number 2. These 2 questions. What can you see in Aisha's bedroom? I can see bed, pillow, table, window, etc. in Aisha's bedroom. What does Aisha do when Rinku chews food noisily? When Rinku chews food noisily, she shows him how to eat properly. Only this part, only this much is there in lesson number 1 inside Aisha's house. Now after that, when we are finished with the first chapter, I have already explained you the poem Itsy Bitsy Spider. Itsy Bitsy Spider. See here. On 5th of May, I have already explained you the poem Itsy Bitsy Spider. You have copied down all the 8 lines of this poem, and you have to learn this poem for your UT exam. You have to learn this poem for your UT exam. At least 4 lines you can learn. See, I have drawn the pictures here, but you can write the names. Here spider, you can write the name of write the spellings. Here you can write the spelling of sun. Here you can write the spelling of spider. Then after that, Itsy Bitsy Spider, meanings were there. Meanings, 2 meanings, rhyming words. Answer the following. Question number 1. Then question number 2. This was question number 3. Okay, only this much work you have to maintain in your copy, and you have to learn this question chapter number 1 and poem for your UT exam, and exercise, and the next chapter I am continue in the next video. Thank you.